What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am talking all about a hair towel. This is the only hair towel that I have used for close to 5 years now. It is the best hair towel on the market. I'm convinced of it, and I always get questions from you guys asking me why I choose this towel over all of the other hair towels on the market, because there are a lot. And I'm going to get into all of the different ways that I use the hair repair towel to help me get the best curly hair results possible without damaging my hair. So if you're interested in finding out all about this magical towel, then definitely just keep watching. First things first, I want to say thank you so much to Hair Repair for sponsoring today's video. I have worked with them in the past. You guys hear me talk about this towel in almost every single one of my curly hair videos. So I'm grateful to be working with Hair Repair again. This is actually a company that I was introduced to many years ago, and I made a connection with the owners of this company very quickly. They are some of the most genuine, sweetest people I think that I have ever come in contact with, and I had the honor of actually meeting them face to face when I went to Hamilton, Alabama a few years back, and I just absolutely love them, and I stand behind their mission. I stand behind this product 1000%. That being said, let me go ahead and get into why I love this particular towel so much. Most hair towels on the market that you see are made of microfiber or some sort of terry cloth. While a microfiber towel is way better than a regular bath towel that you would use to dry your body off, those can create so much friction and frizz and breakage in the hair. A microfiber towel would be the better option between those two. But if you had the option of using a microfiber towel versus the cotton hair repair towel, which is made of completely combed, interlocked cotton, which makes it the smoothest towel on the market, you definitely would want to go with the hair repair towel. Now, this towel is designed for any hair type: straight, wavy, curly, kinky, coily, whatever type of hair you have, this towel will be your best friend. Since I have curly hair, that's what I'm going to talk about. For curly hair, this is truly like a godsend. Our biggest enemy is friction. If you have friction on curly hair, especially when curly hair is in a wet state, which is when our hair is the most fragile, the result is always going to be frizz. And the one thing that us curly girls are always trying to fight is the big F word, frizz. So this towel really does such an amazing job of helping to prevent frizz, helping to prevent breakage, and really leaves your hair looking shiny and just healthy. One of the biggest reasons I wanted to make this video, and I'm so dang excited for this company, is because they are now available in CVS stores all over America. I'm so stoked that you can run to your local CVS and find them on the shelf. They are available on Amazon. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. I believe I have a discount code as well, so I'll leave everything in the description box for you. Now they are at CVS, so if you want to go check them out, read the boxes, do a little research, whatever, you can do that. Here is their new little packages for their hair towels. I've already taken mine out, washed them, been using them. I probably have 6 or 7 of these towels now, and I just rotate them. They're so easy to just throw in the laundry, and they last. Literally, the first towels that I got from this company, I am still using. They still work perfect. They haven't fallen apart. They have several different sizes. The size is really personal preference because I definitely use both sizes, but this one is 19 inches by 39 inches, which is great for short to shoulder length hair. I actually like to use this one when I am plopping my hair. Then this one is the 21 inches by 44 inches, which is great for shoulder length or longer hair. So you can see that there is a little bit of a difference in the size of the packaging here. This is the smaller towel right here. It's very wide, but it's a little more shorter. So Just depends again on what you're looking for. The other thing that I love about these towels is that they all have an elastic band right here, so you can secure the towel and it's not going to go anywhere. So if you just want to walk around your house or whatever, it's not going to fall off. So let's go ahead and get into the different ways that I love to use the hair repair towel. Now, the first way and the most conventional way to use it is to wrap your hair after you've washed your hair. A lot of people that may have straight hair or wavy hair that don't use a lot of products, but you want your hair to dry very quickly, you could easily wrap your hair in the hair repair towel and leave it like that, and it's going to help your hair to dry super quickly, and you may even be able to get away with not having to blow dry your hair. Now, for us curly girls, the great thing is that you're going to prevent breakage, you're going to prevent frizz. One of my favorite ways to use this hair towel is to use it to get out any excess product. So once you have applied all of your styling product, and sometimes you might have a little too much, or there might still be a little bit too much water in your hair, using the hair repair towel to scrunch out any of that excess product, any of that excess water, is again going to help speed up the styling process so much. Not only that, but this process really helps to encourage the curl. So I love using the hair repair towel to scrunch my hair. Another way that I really love to use this towel is by wrapping it around me while I'm adding my styling products or doing any styling to my hair. I'll get out of the shower and I'll throw on a t-shirt, or if I throw on like a blouse or something that I don't want to get wet, I don't want to get styling product on it, or I just don't want to get product all over my skin, which could irritate or break out the skin, I'll clip it with a little hair clip, and then that catches any excess water, any drippage, any product, and again, it's not going to cause frizz while you're styling your hair and your hair is kind of touching that towel. It's not going to cause any type of frizz. And my absolute favorite way to use this towel, which I've already done a full video on, but I'll give you a quick little tutorial, and that is to plop my hair. I love plopping with this. It's basically where you gather your hair all on top of your head. I like to do this after I've done all my scrunching. I like to flip my head over, put it right in the center of the towel, kind of gather it up right around my hairline, and then gather it right in the back, and then twist on the sides, then twist the two sides together, and then just kind of tie it in one little knot back there. And I will plop for about 20 to 30 minutes. What this does is it helps my hair to really hold its curl pattern, hold its curl shape. I get bouncier, springier curls. My hair results always turn out so much better when I take the time to plop. A lot of curly girls do like to sleep with their hair plopped on top of their head and then allow it to dry overnight. I don't personally do that, but you can do that with this particular towel because the material, it's so soft and comfortable that it's not going to bother you. So that's definitely another way that you can use this. But plopping is probably my all-time favorite way to use my hair repair towel. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I love that it is non-synthetic, 100% cotton. I love how versatile it is. It will not over dry your hair, helps to prevent breakage and frizz, and in my opinion, it is better than any other hair towel on the market. I stand by it, and I cannot be happier for this company to now have their product in CVS. That is it for this video. If you have any questions about this product, about the hair repair towel, or how I use it, leave them in the comment section below. I'll definitely be going through answering any questions that you have. This towel is super affordable, but I do have a discount code below that you can use. That's all I have to say about that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace out.